Hello everyone, this is National Boyle Wayne. We are at Oklahoma City, and we're also at Lake Hefner in Oklahoma City. So you can see the water has been drained down a little bit, as you can see. And down there, guys, I will show you something very magnificent. Just stay with me, guys. So as you can see, guys, this was kind of like a beach of some sort, and this may shock you guys, but all this stuff right here is not sand, because let me grab one real quick. All this is shells. I'm not joking. Shells. Like look. Shell. 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 All these are shells. Just look at this. I had to come down from all these rocks. It is extremely hard. Oh, and we got birds in the air. Again, guys, all these are shells. All this stuff. So this place is near Oklahoma City, or I think it's in Oklahoma City. So, Oklahoma City. Hold on! And, come check this place out when you come near Oklahoma City. This is all I have time for the day. So, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. See ya.